In this video, I'm going to give you the secrets to accuracy. It's really not that hard, guys. And a lot of times people waste a lot of bullets trying to become accurate. Let me give you a secret. You can't outshoot bad accuracy. And it all starts with a lot of different stuff, but we got to get a proper grip and a proper stance and all that stuff. But I think the most important thing is to understand trigger control. And a lot of people tend to don't do enough dry firing. And if I gave you one tip as a firearms instructor that doesn't cost you any ammo and you can do it for 3 to 5 minutes a day and become more accurate. Dry firing is a sequence of engaging the trigger multiple times in a safe environment with an unloaded pistol to understand where your finger touches the trigger until the weapon cuts. And the more we can get that sequence down, the easier it is for it. So uniquely, there's a lot of tips, there's a lot of stuff you can buy for it. You don't need to buy anything. But what I did is I have a 3D printer and I printed a dry fire bullet insert. And these are available down in the descriptions down below. This is the HTS dry fire bullet insert. And what it will do is allow us to dry fire with our magazine in and not get it to go to slide lock. Let me explain to you what happens. When you shoot your last round on most semi-automatic pistols, it's going to lock back. And it will not go forward unless you hit your lever to make it go forward or you take your magazine out. Not really helpful when we want to dry fire. But a lot of times pistols are small for some people and they can't get their finger all the way on the pistol, right? So you really want to try to dry fire as much as you can with a magazine in. Now, disclaimer here, real folks. If you're dry firing in your home, you need to do it in a room that doesn't have any kind of ammo, range bag, or anything else. Just you, weapon, and the dry fire bullet, and a target of some kind, which can just be a light switch or anything else. I'm going to use the camera today to kind of give you an idea. So when you take the dry fire bullet and you just slide it in like you would load a magazine, pretty simple, pretty easy, it rolls in and it stops the follower from rising and stopping the slide from locking back. So now when I take this and I stick it in and I rack the slide, now I can get my grip, I can drive the pistol out, I can put the pistol out in front of me, I can concentrate on my sight system and bring that trigger back nice and slow. Now, cool thing is I can rack it really soft, bring it forward, and bring in that reset we want. Or we can rack it fast and just give ourselves. So there's a couple tips I want to give you when we're dry firing. One, double, triple, quadruple check. The gun is always unloaded. Obviously, if you unload it to begin with, you want to make sure it's always unloaded. Number two, you need to dry fire like you live fire. So I don't want to see this. That's not dry fire. That's just wasting time. I want you to dry fire like you live fire. Bring it out, turn your chin, get over the weapon, slowly press the trigger, bring it back, concentrate on your sights, and let the weapon cut. You can do the press drill if you want. P-R-E-S. See how I was applying pressure until the weapon cut. These dry fire inserts are simple, easy, and inexpensive. Uniquely, they're 3D printed from me. They're US made. We're using US filament, and they're $9.99. And we're doing free shipping throughout the United States. If you want to be more accurate with a pistol, if you want to spend some time dry firing and getting the whole trigger sequence, this HTS system, the dry fire insert, is probably the best thing I put together. I keep saying HTS, that's our handgun training system. If you don't know much about that, that's a school community that there's almost 400 students just like you learning how to work their pistol through the handgun training system. We have a free masterclass, which is down below in the links that you could sign up for. That's a 4-week master your handgun in 4 weeks. There are drills, videos, and targets that you get for absolutely free. Now, we do have a premium and a VIP program that gets a little bit more access to me, but we start everyone out on the free platform. That's the school, SKOOL, and it's down in the links down below. We'd love to have you join that as well. Want to become better shooter? You gotta have a better trigger press, and the only way to get a better trigger press is to get a better dry firing system. Now, there's a lot of electronic stuff you can buy, but this is the best $9.99 you can spend to become more accurate, more in control, and more consistent. Because with consistency comes accuracy. I'm John, the firearms instructor. I specialize in you. If you found some value today in this video, don't forget to hit the bell icon, the like, and the subscribe button, and get hooked up with us. As well as, if you like this kind of stuff, you're going to love the next video that's coming up. I'll see you there.